Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So here I am back at home and doing a voiceover of our trip, particularly for one place that I find very interesting. So over the weekend, we went to ski, and it was very good the first day we arrived. And the next day we went to ski, it was a big storm. And we decided that we end up a bit earlier than usual. Usually we went to the last ski lift pickup and do a roundabout, the longest one. But this time it is kind of dangerous. The ski station was not yet completely closed, but just so much wind, storm, and it's not that enjoyable. Well, going to ski is about challenge our physicality. It's about getting some wildness, but that was kind of too much for us. So we decided to go back home, and on our home we drove by to a place, Rocklin in California, and we saw a restaurant, Cracker and Barrel. I think Cracker and Barrel. And we heard about the story of it just a couple of months ago, about its logo design and everything. And we have never been there. And we wanted to go there. And some family member has already know about that place. It's an American diner place. I have never been, and I do not know what is a diner place. And they say it's like Denny's and IHOP, International House of Pancake, that kind of a restaurant. So I start to get Applebee, so I start to get some opinion of it. And from my experience, the other time we went there, we went to an American diner place. They have some of the most beautiful pictures, food pictures, and so immaculate photo background, accompany, accompagnant, the small side, and it just make it so warm, so cozy, so it feels American. It's almost like the Sunday night, Sunday morning post, something like it, and it's just a very very warm, cozy feeling. So we ended up there, and first we entered there. I already searched on their image of the restaurant. I kind of very, very interested because the food picture is pretty, and some of the things, I think they have a shop. And then we end up going there. We entered in immediately. I am just so attracted, impressed, fascinated by the entrance of it. It's a store. It's not a restaurant. It's like any of the botanic garden, museum shop, and special boutique shop, but very very warm, cozy, cozy old style, that kind of a little bit antique, but a gift shop, that kind of a feeling. So we entered in, and there are beautiful, beautiful commodities, and oh, it's so fun. So there are these beautiful commodities, and so we entered into the restaurant, and you go through the gift shop, enter into the restaurant, and oh, immediately, yes, immediately, I am just so much in love with this place. There are the old style decoration and some family tools, old time tools, and it's exactly like the Sunday Morning Post, like Rockefeller, Rockwell's Sunday Morning Post painting, the old style painting. Yeah, I forgot the name. Rockwell, Beardstein. No, I forgot the name. Yeah, anyway, the old style painting, and there are candies, there are canned food, there are jams, there are hairpins, there are clothing, toys, stationaries, and every painting, oh, a little bit like me, Mary Angelica, or some me, yeah, very feel Americanized, and it's just the old time, glorious time of American booming, uplifting, that period of time, 1950s, 60s, 70s, and it's just so, for me, nostalgic is not the word, because I was born in another country, but that was the picture where we read Reader's Digest, and those, we go to school library to borrow that book and read the Reader's Digest. Let me try to make the history right. So I attended university in the 1980s. So that's around that time, 1980s. That time's Reader's Digest, and still hand-drawn pictures, illustrations with color, with very artistic American Art Nouveau, Art Deco, American realistic, that style of art illustration, and Leanne Decker, yes, it's like the drawing of Rockwell, Leanne Decker, that very stylish, very typical, very realistic, and very a little bit dramatic, a little bit comical. So cozy, that style. And so I just enjoy that place. And I remember just a couple of months ago, there was a logo design that get rid of that guy, and make it very simple, stylized and simplistic. And now I can understand why people dislike the new design, have resentment of the new design, because this place is not about simplicity. It's not about modernism. It's not about functionality, efficiency. This place is about the home, cozy, old feeling. It's not modern design. It's not something fancy, something chic, something elite. No, not about that. It's about old grandma making something, making applesauce, fried applesauce, making home pickle, make home what is pickle, oh, suddenly that word. Relish, home pickle, home relish, homemade bonbon candy, hot candy, fruit jelly, and sketchbook, not sketchbook, scrapbook, and with a lot of things in it, with a lot of collage paper. That is the thing. That is about the tradition. That is about the home feeling, right? It's not about simplicity, geometric shape, and sharp edge. No. It's about warm, cozy, and soft, and all the furniture, the edge is nothing straight and sharp. It's already curved in or rolled in or softened. There is nothing pointed, nothing sharp. Everything is just so used, so customized, so handmade, so unique, and so so crafty. I love that place. Yes, I want to go there again. Okay, so now let's talk about the food. So every main dish, I think every dish we ordered comes with 2 complimentary sides, and there are different sides to choose from. And a lot of them I do not know the name because because I was not born here, and I have not tasted them very often. But I ordered a side salad, and this one is a house salad. House salad has a special price, but if you serve with a side, replace it with a side, it costs $3.19, and it's a very crispy, crunchy, and refreshing salad. You can choose the dressing, and I always have trouble to choose a dressing, so I have chosen, I think it's a ranch dressing because I know the name. So that's the salad, and this one is fried pickle. I already finished, and then I start to take a picture of it. It's a pickle and with bread crumble and deep fried. It's quite interesting, a little bit dry, but it's very interesting. The taste is quite good. And this one is, I think it's deep fried chicken with one side of macaroni and cheese. And the macaroni and cheese is quite oily, quite rich. And the chicken, I feel it's a little bit dry, but yeah. I think this one is called sawmeal gravy or something. I did not know. It's like bechamel sauce, very creamy sauce, and but not only the bechamel creamy sauce and a little bit crunchy in it. Maybe it's corn or something. And this one is a coleslaw. This side is coleslaw, and it's quite juicy. Let's say there is a lot of flavor in it, not too thin with some cream in it. Mashed potato. I think this is no. This one is chicken and dumpling. I think it's a dumpling chicken or chicken dumpling or chicken soup with noodle. I think this is a chicken soup with noodle, and I am very much. I like something al dente, something more chewy. So it's a little bit very much cooked, boiled. And this one is turnip green, and yes, a little bit too not so green. And this one is grilled chicken. I think I think this is one of the best in the order, and the chicken is juicy and plain, not too much things on it. There is no flour. There is no anything on top of it. It's just a flavor and grilled, and the juicy, the chicken is still in it. It's not like something else that completely you feel is modified. You do not even know what food it is. This one you still feel it's the real chicken. And this one comes with a side of steak fries. And well, it's pretty good. Don't you think so? Yeah. And that's about it. I totally enjoyed this this experience. The food is how do I say? It's not fancy food. If you look for something fancy, trendy, Michelin star, this may not be your choice. But if you want to get some American feeling, or as a person who is not born here, my concept of American home food, that create a lot of that kind of atmosphere and feel. If you are local here, American born and raised and grew up with this food, please comment or please let me know if I am anything wrong. But I really appreciate that home feeling, that comfortness of this meal. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Goo, goo, bye. Yeah, bye, 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 bye.